Welcome back to another episode of No Time to Be Hungry. Today we are in the city of Buriram. It's just inside of Isaan. We are at a pretty popular Somtam restaurant called Tumkratoei, which is like a ladyboy type. Well, it's a word for ladyboy, but it's Somtam. Somtam is thing. What is it in English? It's papaya salad. I'm forgetting my English words. Anyway, we're gonna go in here and get some Tumkratoei and let's go check it out. Let's go see what's on the menu. I bet they have other things too.สวัสดีครับวันนี้สบายดีไหมสบายดีค่ะวันนี้ใครดีไหมใครดีทุกวันนะคุณชอบอะไรครับ
ชอบเป็นตำปูสมุนค่ะแล้วก็ต้มยำรวมทะเล
ชอบคุณชอบอะไรที่สุดโอเค
เป็นเบียร์ช้างนะคะ
ตำอีสาน
ตำปูปลาจ้ะปูปลา
Here comes all the food, or some of the food. This is Somtam Thai, and this is a yam kamu yang, which is it's like a grilled pork shoulder, and this is a pork rib. And our hostess, they don't have Leo here, but she actually went out of her way to go get us some Leo. Very good, thank you. I hope they brought more than one. And the Tom Yum Thale, which is a seafood spicy soup, has arrived. Man, it looks good. Okay, let's give the what this place is all about is the Somtam. Let's give it a try. This is
ต้มย
ต้มยำทะเลต้มยำทะเล อร่อยมาก Cheers Awesome pork rib.
That is good. Not really tender.
Let's give the grilled pork a try. Very good. They do have good seating inside with air conditioner, but I don't know, I prefer to eat my Isaan food outside. You know, to be honest, it's real easy to make these kind of videos here in Thailand because this kind of food is really everywhere. And it's not very difficult to find these places. They're all over the place. Even little street vendors, the food is so good everywhere. A lot of stuff happening here. 7-Eleven. We're right down the street from the little monument they have here. It's got a lot of pretty cool lights. We'll walk over there in a little bit. Those are pretty good. That's the one with the corn that he was looking for the other day. That looks pretty good too. Everything looks good. Do you want to go walk into Beauty Mania? Oh yeah, you want to? Great. I just got that song out of my head today. Yeah. Good looking. So what, Big Hop? That looks pretty good, huh? Watch out for that. Guy fry. No, I'm sorry. I fry. French fries. Oh. But I know you've been here before. But anyway, I thought this was kind of a unique place that Paige found. And that's really the reason why we came to Buriram. There's a lot of things to do in Buriram other than eat it. Tumkratoei. They have an awesome racetrack here too. Man, that is really good, but I can't feel my tongue right now. Very spicy. This place actually has 9 other locations. If you guys are interested in eating at this place, I'll put a link in the description box of their website. They also have a Facebook page. Highly recommend coming to this place. The food was really good. They specialize really in grilled fish and grilled chicken, but other than the somtam, but we're too full right now. But anyway, yeah, I'll leave the website. You guys got to check this place out.
อันนี้เป็นตำไทยต้มยำรวมทะเลมะพร้าวอ่อนซี่โครงทอดน้ำตกคอหมูย่างนอกของหมูเทเลโอสามทั้งหมด677 บาท
All right.
677
ปูไม่ดีครับ Well, I hope you enjoyed today's episode of No Time to Be Hungry. You gotta come check out some Tumkratoei. I'll give you the locate. No, I didn't trade Adrian. Calm down. She's over here in the back. But anyway, I thank you very much. Kapuna kap chokde kun suai kap. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Wait, come here. We'll see you guys on the next No Time to Be Sad video. Bye. Bye bye.